Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 550 plus social network flared template. Here you see I divide it into many parts, for example barbershop, fashion, carnival, school, trade, Japanese food, dealership, cafeteria, football, gym, ice cream, computing, makeup, business, policy, religion. For example, I show some preview of them. I now you know how to customize this flare, but for example I open it. Now you see many layer in layer area. You can edit any of this layer according to your own choice. Same like it, you can edit any of this flare. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.